Hey, to my nigga Pac. The fans is watching, niggas plotting to get me. Will I survive, will I die? Come on, let's picture the possibility. These niggas got me tossing shit. I put the top down, now it's time to floss my shit. Keep your head up, nigga, make these motherfuckers up. And let these devils be sorry for the day they finally free me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride. Hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, live the life of a boss player. Cause even when I'm high, fuck with me and get crossed later. The future's in my eyes. All I want is cash and things. A 5 double low, bands wanting flashy brands. Bitches pursue me like a dream. Been known to disappear before your eyes, it's like a dope thing. It seems my main thing was to be major. Paid the game sharper than the motherfucking razor blade. Will I survive? Will I die? Come on, let's picture the possibility. These niggas got me tossing shit. I put the top down, now it's time to floss my shit. Keep your head up, nigga, make these motherfuckers up. And let these devils be sorry for the day they finally free me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride. Hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, live the life of a boss player. Cause even when I'm high, fuck with me and get crossed later. The future's in my eyes. Cause all I want is cash and things. A 5 double low, bands wanting flashy brands. Bitches pursue me like a dream. Been known to disappear before your